Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Many of you have been asking me a lot of questions these days, so I thought why not to make a video and why not to answer you back. So without doing much back, let me start with your questions. Okay, my first question is Nishu, who has questioned me that hi Rajeshri, can you help please share your cabin crew journey? Sure, Nishu, thank you so much for your question. And my journey till now as a cabin crew is very beautiful, very memorable. I cannot explain, I don't have words to say how I did my journey, I will definitely make a video to share all my journey and all throughout the training and whatever has happened. Sure, I will be sharing it to you soon. So next question is also Nishu, who has asked me, after 12 you give interview or course. So Nishu, thank you for the question once again. So after 12 I have completed my further studies. I did graduation and then I went for a cabin crew interview. But for you can always apply after 12 and you can become a cabin crew after 12 as the age of 18. So you have to be 18 to become a cabin crew. Okay, my next question is also been asked by the same person who is asking me whether I have done any course or not. Nishu, I haven't done any course. I just went for a walk-in interview. But if you feel that you are lacking anything as such in grooming or speaking, anything you are lacking, you can always go for institution or any course which is there. You can always see their advertisement about the training institute and anything. You can always go there. Okay, the next question is asked by Darshika, who has asked me what is the criteria of eyesight in Indigo. Sorry Darshika, I don't have much knowledge about the eyesight criteria, what is required in Indigo or not. But if you're taking my view, just go for the interview and give your best. Leave about medicals, forget about medicals. There are 5 to 6 rounds before medicals, so you have to clear all of them. So it's very challenging. Okay, so forget about medicals and go for the interview and crack it. So guys, I think I have answered all your question, and now I will give you a small little tip so that you can get your interview done. And it's like, okay, whenever you're entering into an interview room, always greet as in, may I come in ma'am, good morning, like this, or else you can say, good morning ma'am, may I come in. After you finished your interview, always say thank you, have a nice day, like this, with a smile on your face, so that they feel that you are very confident from inside. Whether you are full tensed or worried, try to smile big and calm down. Smile and calm down and answer. Think and answer. It's okay, you're taking time, but it's okay, fine. But think and answer and always keep a smile on your face. So that, and don't do like this. We have the habit of blinking eyes or something like that. Don't do that, okay? They will think that you are nervous, but you're pretending to be confident. Don't do that, okay? And the second thing is, so my tip to you is, whenever you are entering into an interview room, please knock and then open the door and then ask permission to enter. Like, may I come in? This is the basic courtesy they will expect from you. So please do that. And the second thing is, we always have the tendency that whenever an interviewer asking you any question, like something which you don't know out of the box, and then we have the tendency don't do all these things, okay? It's a big no and they will reject you that very moment. Don't do that. If you don't know, just be quiet or smile or try to think, and then you can say your answer. Take a little time, it's okay, you're taking time, and then you're answering, it's okay. But don't make any faces like no, not required, okay? My last but not the least point is, don't get demoralized. Yes, we have the tendency of, oh God, I've been rejected. Oh God, what will happen to me now? Where will I go? I can't show my face to anyone. Don't do that, okay? It's okay if you have been rejected once, twice, thrice, fourth, fifth, God knows how many times you're rejected. It's okay. Come back, solve that problem and come back once again and start with your interview again. Okay, I have my colleague who have been rejected 50 times. Can you imagine a girl is getting 50 times rejected and then again coming back? And now I can tell you that now she is a face of that airline, and she is working as a crew as well as the face of the airline. Now how proud moment that would be, that you are, I can see her faces and everything in a boarding pass hoardings everywhere in that airline. So I can't take her name because it won't be justice to her, because I haven't taken her permission, but